Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying your Kali release and enabling non-free repositories because Docker needs up-to-date packages and kernel support. Next, add essential packages: app transport HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, and GNU G2 so you can securely add Docker's repository. Once done, fetch Docker's GPG key with curl and save it to /usr/share/keyrings/Docker archive keyring. GPG. This ensures package integrity. Make sure to use sudo for each command. This prepares the system for the repository step coming next. You add Docker's repository to your sources list, D with the signed key and Kali's codename so apt pulls compatible packages. After adding the repo, run apt update to refresh indexes and then apt install dockerc containered. EO to get the engine, client, and runtime. Once installed, enable and start Docker with systemctl enable now Docker. Service so the daemon runs now and after boot. Make sure to watch for unmet dependencies. If apt prompts, accept the recommended package changes to resolve them automatically. You finish by adding yourself to the Docker group with sudo usermod gdocker$user so you can run Docker without sudo, then log out and back in to apply the group change. Next, verify the install by running docker run rm hello world and Docker version to confirm the client and server talk. If Docker fails to start, inspect the daemon with journal.u docker. Service and check /var/log for errors. A common fix is missing kernel modules or conflicting container runtimes, so make sure containered is active and kernel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.